Good morning, P2 students. How are you today? Today is Thursday and it's the 7th of May 2020. So our learning objective today is that we are going to review or if some of you haven't answered this one, then you can do this today. Okay, so we are going to review or answer our activity book pages 23 and 24. For page 23, it's exercise 4.3, making shadows. So in this exercise, you will show that you can identify shadows. Match the shadows to the objects. The first one has been done for you. So the first one is a house. And where's the shadow of the house? Over here. Alright. So again, the sun is here. So the shadows are going on this side, not the other way around. So if the sun is on this side, if the sun is here, the shadow will be over here, right? Okay, so let's identify first the picture. So this one is a tall tree. So this is a type of tree. I don't know what's name, but it looks like a pine tree to me. So this we just say that this is a tall tree, and this one is a short tree. So this is a car and a house. So again, let's review. So where is the shadow of the tall tree? This one, this one, this one, this one. So what you're going to do is that you are going to make a line and connect the picture to each shadow. So we know that a shadow is made when, or a shadow happened when the source of light is blocked by an object. That's why it will create a dark here shape. Oh no, there's not really a definite shape of a shadow. Okay, so tall tree, which one? So I'm just going to make a line, imaginary line. So here, this one, right? How about the car or a car? Where is the shadow of a car? Over here. How about the short tree? This one, right? How about the man? Where's the shadow of the man? Over here. Aside from tracing or putting a line, I would encourage you to put the name of the object. So you can write a tall tree, a car, a house, and then in a short tree. Okay, for familiarization and also to practice your writing and spelling of the words. Okay, now we are done with light and dark, page 23, or making shadows. Now let's move on to page 24 of your science activity book. So usually I will write the answer in the book, but I think some of you don't have a book with you, so I'm just going to take a picture of this and share it so you can edit it and do your homework. Okay, or your work. So now let's have the shadow shapes. So in this exercise, you will think about what shadows look like. And then you are going to draw the shadow of each object. So the first object is a ladder, right? So a ladder is used to what? If you cannot reach something, it's beyond your reach, so you are going to use a ladder. And how about this one? As another tree, right? And the man. So we know that a shadow will depend on where is the position of the source of light, right? So for example, if the sun is here, this is Mr. Sun, and the moon is here, Ding, ding, chick, 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 chick. And then I'm going to draw a shadow. Okay, I will have 3 choices. So here, just imagine this as the shadow. Chick, 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 chick. Another shadow. So this is shadow A. This is shadow B. Chick, 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 chick. And this is shadow C. Shadow of the man. Chick, chick. Okay, so if the sun is here, so what sources of light do we use? Or what is the source of light? It is the sun. So some of you for the assessment did not get this one. So most of you, you draw all the sources of light. But teacher was asking about the object, what source of light do you use, and where is the position of your shadow. So again, the shadow will change according to where the source of light is. Okay, now, okay, so since this is a review, let's also review this one. So for this, the source of light that we use is the sun. Very good. And then what's the object here? The object is the man. So the man is blocking the light of the sun. Now, where is the correct shadow of the man? Will be this side, which is A. This side, which is shadow B. So I think it should be lower, but it's okay. And C over this side. So if the sun is here, the light is going this way. So where is the correct shadow? A, B, or C? What do you think? It's shadow letter B. Very good. The correct answer is B. Now we are going to use the same object but different source of light. This time I'm going to use a candle. So my candle will be here. The source of light that I'm using is a candle. Now, if the source of light is here, so we'll write candle. If the source of light is on this side, where is the shadow of the man will be? Is it shadow A, shadow B, or shadow C? Where? Is it B? No. Is it C? Yes. So the answer for candle, so for the sun, the answer is shadow letter B. How about for the candle? So the candle is here, the light is here, so the shadow of the man, so again we were sticking to this. We are sticking to this object. Our object is the man. So if the source of light is coming from this side, which is a candle, the shadow will be A, B, or C. It's shadow letter C. So for the candle, the shadow of the man will be this one. Okay, last one. I'm going to draw another source of light. And my source of light this time will be, there's so many, right? There's so many sources of light. So this time I'm going to use a flashlight. So the flashlight is here. How to make flashlight like this? This is my flashlight. Okay. So the source of light that I'm using is a flashlight. Now the flashlight is here and the object, which is the man, is here. Now, where do you think, or maybe this side, I'll just move the man over here a little bit. It's the same man, I'll just move him a little bit here. Okay, so if the flashlight is here, which is our source of light. The object is the man. So where is the shadow of the man will be? Is it on this side, which is B, shadow B, this side, shadow C, or over here, shadow A? It's, so for, if the source of light is here, the shadow will be this side. So for the flashlight, the shadow is letter A. Alright, so now let's go to this one.
TNT.
Okay, for this, okay, so for this one again, we have a ladder, a tree, and man. So what you're going to do is you are going to draw a shadow. So where is the source? Okay, let's identify first the source of light. What is the source of light being used in this picture or in the pictures? Is it A, light bulb? B, what else? Star? Or C, sun? The answer is letter C, sun. So the source of light is what? Sun. So where is the position of the sun? Here. So now you are going to draw where the shadow of these items will be. So the shadow of the ladder will be on this side, or this side. You decide. How about the tree? The shadow, the source of light is over here. The object which is the tree is here. So where should you draw the shadow? This side, this side, this side, or this side? You choose. How about this? Again, the source of light is sun. The sun is over here. The position of the sun is here. The object, which is a man, is here. So where is the shadow will be? Over here, over here. The shadow of the man will be here, 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 or here. The shadow will be, I don't know. So again, so you are going to answer this. It's very easy. And the shadow shapes. Okay? So that will be all for today. I hope you learned something and you refreshed your understanding about making shadows and making shadow shapes. Goodbye for now. Thank